Good morning. On Friday, the 1st of December, new month. Well, have to look at the monthly candle. All good, looks nice, nice push higher. On the daily, we see that we are once again pushing towards 38,500, and it feels to me that we are going to push through. But there's a but. Let me first show you this chart where you can see the big wall here at 38,500, suppressing the price here. Absolutely. And I felt it yesterday really well here. Price was pushed down in my belief, but you can see here also those wicks immediately bought up, and Bitcoin just didn't manage to break lower, and this felt very well or very positive. And this is my little problem I have right here. Spot versus perps trading. Blue is perps, and you can see how that is pushing this latest push here that towards 38,000. It really, and look how the open interest is going to very high levels. This is not okay for a big move to the upside, as it is very likely that all these longs here, which have been building here, that they will be punished, that there will be a correction, is likely, before we really break out to the upside, is what I think. But I do have good hope that we see a very nice push to the upside. I will come back to that later. This was yesterday. What made me believe that this was suppression, and what I said just before, not able to break it down and run lower. Yesterday I tweeted this, and we perfectly broke out of that falling wedge to the upside. And let's have a look here without that falling wedge. For now, I would say this is not an area where you should go long either. So if we do get some pullback as a retest of that breakout, then maybe look again. But for now, what I showed you, the open interest is already so high, it makes it really tricky to go long here. Something else I wanted to show you today is the pattern we have been in for quite some time now, over a month, and that is supposed to be my fifth leg in this cycle. This is the move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what I was expecting. But if we go look here in detail, or zoom in a bit, I was looking for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. A strong third leg usually, and then hitting that, going for the red box. But look here, we have a 1, 2 here. We have another 1, 2 here, and even another one here. So that means that this smaller cycle has to complete first, 3, 4, 5. That is only the third leg in this cycle. 3, 4, 5. That completes this one. 3, 4, 5. And that one is only completing this one in 3, 4, 5. So feels to me that this, you can even say here, we do have a rising wedge, something like this, which is usually a bearish pattern, a reversal pattern. But in combination with those sell walls and the constant suppression, I see this more as a reaccumulation, and especially in bull markets, you very often see Bitcoin breaking these kind of rising wedges to the upside with an explosive move. You can scroll back. I didn't do, but if you scroll back in history and go to previous bull runs, you will see this kind of pattern many times. It's a kind of a vertical accumulation, prices being suppressed here, and we know that entities like MicroStrategy are heavily buying Bitcoin spot, and that's exactly what is happening in this pattern. So I cannot imagine that this breaks down with so much buy support. And therefore, I think we gonna see a big move to the upside soon, confirmed, or let's say supported by what I see with this series of 1-2s. I really think that we're gonna see a big move to the upsides very soon. Maybe what I said, one more down. Let me see, A, B, C, D, E, and then up. Yeah, well, maybe one more down here to punish those longs, which I showed you in the other chart. But after that, or maybe already soon, I do think we will see a very impulsive move to the upside. I'd maybe even crush my target at 42,000. Not gonna happen today or tomorrow, and not over the weekend. But let's see on Monday where we are. And want to thank you for watching. Have a very nice weekend. See you on Monday.